So my brothers, as I was saying, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. When it means I shall not want, he means that he has laid great pastures for you. And that is why you need to give your life to Christ. And that is why the Bible said in John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believeth in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. You need to give your life to Christ, my brother. My brother, you need to give your life to Christ. My sisters, you need to give your life to Christ. Oyibo. Smoking will not take you anywhere. If Lord has approved smoking for human being, you will have exhaust on the back of your head. Yes, my children, you need to give your life to Christ. For God so loved the world. I've heard about this area. This area is stubborn and will not give their life to Christ. But smoking is not approved. You're a sinner. My sisters, you need to give your life to Christ. All of you, you will need to accept Jesus as your Lord and personal Savior. This is where your smoking will not take you anywhere. You are going to the place of doom. That is where you are going to. A place of doom. My brother, you need to accept him. You need to embrace him. If you don't accept him, he will reject you. And if you don't embrace him, he will disgrace you.
I've been hearing your voices. You're preaching all over the places. And now I'm meeting you here again.
Yes, we are living in a civil war where people have rejected Jesus and decided to accept the war.
Pastor, I love your ministry. But you know what? I'm going to surprise you with something. Anybody here who is ready to give his or her life to Christ, I am ready to support the ministry with 5 million naira. Anybody here?
Is there anybody here? Anybody here?
Come on, go and do your assignment. Go and do your assignment.
Pastor, please come and pray for them. Pastor. Pastor!
Jesus!
Even you!
I'm a bloody sinner. All I sin, I come short of the glory of God.